Hi guys, this is your boy Martin and welcome to another Tuesday short video. Today we'll be talking about organizer, but not about Topcase Organizer, that I will show you very briefly, but we will talk about front organizer that will work on all Can-Am F3 Spyder models. Why today and why me? Why the beast? Because again I have huge mess inside the front, so this thing will massively help me. Now guys, enough of this Tuesday short video. First 500 views, no video ads and no bullshit around, straight to the point. So let's get started. I will actually start with a Topcase Organizer. Why? Because believe me or not, you have to believe me, it's the easiest and one of my most popular upgrades that I put into a Topcase, apart from the rear Topcase light, which is completely illegal in Europe. We put organizer inside, and why? Simply because I can organize things. Anyway, we can very easily put visor cleaner for our guests. We have there all of the paperwork. We have there even first aid kit, tire repair kit, and some cables and kickstart battery. And everything is very much organized and you know, on a display. Many people don't know that things like this exist, and it's a big help. However, on F3, aka the beast, and we're gonna have more of these in our tour and rental agency. That is, by the way, toursontree.com, and it's the coolest and most badass tour and rental agency in Europe, and I believe in the whole world. So why I need to have an organizer in front? Because I have mess in the beast. Have a look, it's just a nightmare. And the organizer goes here, and of course F3S doesn't have the top case, so it's a great solution to have all the paperwork, tire repair kits, racks for cleaning, and you know, visor cleaner in front in one place without massive mess like this. No, I haven't made it up, it's just like how I ride. Now, how this really looks, how it is made, what is the quality, and how to install it with tiny tip, maybe. So it's made in US, as I told you. The quality is pretty decent, price to performance is really there. Anything I'm gonna tell you is the sales pitch, but you have a stretchy pocket here that I use for bottle, another pocket, you got it, organizing. So now the most important thing is it goes on a top part of the front, and actually you have of course the manual, and how it should be attached is that you have two kind of twin tape pattern on the bottom, and on the top you have these buttons that on the other side connects to self-drilling screws. Is that the correct name? Now, because me being lazy today, because me not really liking to drill anything if I don't really need to, this is what I will do. I have put there a twin 3M tape. It's mine, it's not part of packaging, and I will just simply tape it onto our front trunk. If this will not work in the long run, I'll still have these in my garage. It's not a big deal because they are not really big, so they will still be okay, absolutely okay in your front, but most probably will be the same. I mean, this is worth trying. I will do it today, and yeah, my top tip. So it works absolutely perfectly for me, and I think the manufacturer should watch this and do it my way, because, well, really those self-drilling screws are not needed. One thing, funny thing, I have a sunscreen here. Not really that I'm using it, I just would like to make Katka, my wife, happy. Show me one real rider, like tough rider, that is using sunscreen. In case you would like to have a Topcase Organizer, MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. In case you would like to have a front organizer, MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. And in case you would like to tour Europe on 3 wheels with the coolest tour guy ever, tourson3.com. F3 Limited, 2 of them. In 2024, 2 F3S Special Series, 3 RT Limited and C2 Sky, and all of the bikes, they have Martin the Vlogger standards. So better handling, sway bars, of course, pedal boxes, backrests, higher winch. Just watch my videos. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and remember, come tour Europe, buy an organizer in case you want, and always have fun.